Okay, say?
I bet he
No,
continued.
no, start from the start, please. Please, I'm so sorry, I didn't hear.
Video recording lah.
Yeah, no, I'm not. Hold my phone.
Liar.
Okay, then.
And then he was eating his... He was having recess in the canteen.
Okay.
So his food was here.
Here, where is that? Okay.
Here. So a crow fly come all the way to his plate,
Huh?
bite his food, and then fly away.
Fly away. Okay.
Okay? Then after that he continued eating. And then
Bite his food, ah.
take his food away.
He did.
And then
No, means he didn't know the crow bite.
no, he eating the thick crow fly by bite away, then the crow fly off.
And he
lah.
still eat.
Yeah, then he still eat.
Stupid fuck.
Then
Then
he eat already. Then after that he eat. After that he eat. After that he realized that the crow coming by. Then he can see from his here mah.
from his where?
From his eye, the side of the eye.
Side of the eye, wow, magic.
Then the crow fly.
Huh? He
He take his fork. He step on the crow.
stab. Then
Then the crow fly off the knife on his back, on the fork with the fork on his back.
he fucking lying. I don't
He's
believe.
a cold-blooded murderer. He's a fucking asshole.
Is it what, baby?
Fucking asshole.
Okay, show him.